How's everybody doing? I'm checking out a new area today. In my South Jersey research areas. This is a new place that I've never been in. As far I know where it's at, but I've never been in this side of the river. As you can see ahead of me there. It's pretty thick back through there. But something that I want to explore. Very quiet back here as well. I found some one of my self camera, which is not in this area right here. It's pretty far away from where I'm at right now. But I got a picture of a deer. I guess it's a deer. It looks like a deer to me. But the head, the body was all brown for deer, and up around the shoulder areas, and about halfway through it was a darker color, brown. And the head and the ears, the face, didn't look like a deer. It was all white. It looked like a rabbit. Now, I don't know if it's a cryptid that I don't know about in this area here. But the second time I saw it on my camera, this time here I got a pretty good shot of it, a lot better than originally that I had. And I'm hoping that I'll be able to see it again, and hopefully maybe get it onto the video cam that I got out there, which is close by to where I've seen this rabbit deer. I call it a rabbit deer. This area here, I'm going to set some audio up one night and just let it go for overnight, like maybe 15 hours worth, and hook it up and come back and get it. It looks like a pretty promising place back here. So I'll probably get to that sometime by the end of the week, maybe Saturday and into Sunday, or Sunday into Monday. I just want to share everything with everybody, and thank you for watching, and those who have subscribed, I thank you, and share my work, and I thank you again for everything that you do as far as supporting me in my research. As Man of Light, the South Jersey research area. God bless you, and thank you again.